In this video, let's explore the key points between India and ADB partnership to strengthen the flood and riverbank protection in Assam. The Government of India and Asian Development Bank signed a 200 million loan agreement which aims to strengthen flood and riverbank erosion risk management along the 650-kilometer long main stem of Brahmaputra River in Assam. The signatory includes the Joint Secretary from the Department of Economic Affairs in the Ministry of Finance, Deputy Country Director of ADB India Resident Mission representing the Asian Development Bank. Let's see what is the project background. This project was built on the success of the ADB financed Assam Integrated Flood and Riverbank Erosion Risk Management Investment Program that started in 2010. It aims to address recurrent flooding and riverbank erosion along the Brahmaputra River, drawing lessons from similar investment in Bangladesh. The project objectives include the intervention, which will stabilize 60 kilometers of riverbanks, install 32 kilometers of pro-siltation measures, and build 4 kilometers of climate-resilient flood embankments. Five high-priority districts will benefit from this project. The expected outcome of this project is to secure living spaces, support livelihoods, create employment opportunity, and enhance the navigability of the river. It will also strengthen the institutional capacity in flood forecasting, erosion modeling, flood risk mapping, and land use planning. Flood and River Erosion Management Agency of Assam will lead, manage, and coordinate project activities. The Water Resource Development of the Government of Assam will implement the works, and the Assam Agroforestry Development Board will use nature-based solution. Partner agencies include Brahmaputra Board, Assam State Disaster Management Authority, and Assam Inland Water Transport Development Society. This project aims to benefit about 1 million people and increase the crop production over 50,000 hectares. Women empowerment through disaster resilient economic activity is emphasized. The commitment given by ADB is to achieve prosperity, inclusivity, resilience, and sustainability in Asia and Pacific region. Established in 1966, ADB is owned by 68 members with 49 from the region.